Welcome to Heygo.
You are live on the Heygo.
3, 2, 1.
Hi, welcome to Japan.
Join us.
Hello.
Buongiorno.
Totally different tour.
Horseback riding.
The tour is starting.
You will see this tour is interactive. You can ask me any question you have.
London tour guide.
You're about to embark on a journey through ancient Egypt.
We are live from Paris.
Wherever you are in the world.
This is one of the things we love to do with our kids.
Your man in Iceland.
Hello, this is Fran from Pamplona.
From a very special exhibition. This is the first time ever I'm taking you here, the Heygoers.
We are here on top of the volcano, so there are some unexplored adventures.
This snow is gorgeous.
Paragliding.
Oh, that was a good wave.
We have these things in Amsterdam called coffee shops.
That's one of our contributions to the world.
Perfect timing.
Absolutely stunning.
One of the 7 wonders of the world.
Once again, we wish you luck and all the prosperity in your life. And until next time, bye-bye.